Adding Visa card to Oculus Quest 2 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can have Visa card to Oculus Quest 2. Suppose you have the Oculus VR and now you want to buy something in the VR and you don't have any card in it. How can you do that? So for that you have to download this application in your phone, which is Better Quest. How to downloading my request. You have to go to this application here. I'm just going to allow it this time. Here you have to log into the same account which you are using in your VR. So after logging into the same account you have to tap on this menu bar, and in the menu you have to go in the wallet. You will see these options here. You have to go to the first option, which is at a car, and there you go. You will easily be able to add your Visa card right here, and afterwards you can make purchase in your Oculus Quest 2. So that's pretty much it. I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this would I have for